Hello, children. How are you? And hope all your family are fine and safe. Children, okay? Now, without delaying, let us go to our topic in English. Neha in a jeep, classwork. What, children? Neha in a jeep, classwork. Now, see on the screen, children. Answer the following questions. See, first question. WHO who? W you should write capital letter. WHO who? IS is, IN in, THE the, JEEP jeep. Who is in the jeep? Can anyone tell answer, children? Who is in the jeep? Okay, I will tell you. Neha is in the jeep. See, children, answer. N you should write it capital letter. NEHA Neha. IS is, IN in, THE the, JEEP jeep. Neha is in the jeep. Who is in the jeep? Neha is in the jeep. Now second question. WHAT what? DOES does. NEHA Neha. PICK pick. What does Neha pick? What does Neha pick, children? Answer. N. You should write capital letter. NEHA Neha. PICKS picks. AN and APPLE apple. Neha picks an apple. Yes, children. Now third question. W capital letter you should write it. WHO who? BITES bites. N capital letter. NEHA apostrophe S. Nehas. NEHA apostrophe S. Nehas. Heel. HEEL heel. Who bites Nehas heel? Yes, children, can anyone tell answer? Okay, I will tell. Answer. A capital letter. BEEB AB bites. BITES bites. N capital letter you should write. NEHAS apostrophe S. Nehas. Heel. HEEL heel. AB bites. Nehas heel. AB bites. Nehas heel. Who bites Nehas heel? AB bites Nehas heel. Now fourth question. W capital letter. WHAT what? DOES does. N capital letter. NEHA Neha. FEED feed. THE the. GEESE geese. WITH with. What does Neha feed the geese with? What does Neha feed the geese with? Okay, I will tell you. N capital letter you should write. NEHA Neha. FEEDS feeds. Neha feeds. THE the. GEESE geese. WITH with. SEEDS seeds. Neha feeds the geese with seeds. What does Neha feed the geese with? Neha feeds the geese with seeds. Yes, children. Once again, we will repeat the question answers. First question. Who is in the jeep? Neha is in the jeep. Second question. What does Neha pick? Neha picks an apple. Third question. Who bites Neha's heel? Answer. A bee bites Neha's heel. Fourth question. What does Neha feed the geese with? Answer. Neha feeds the geese with seeds. Yes, children? Understood all of you this question answers? Yes? You have to practice. Yes, children? You have to learn and write one time. Like that, we will go to another exercise in Neha in a Jeep. Okay, children? Shall we go? Neha in a Jeep. Another exercise. See, children. See on the screen. Neha in a Jeep practice sheet. See, children, here. Rhyming words. Do you know, children, what are rhyming words? You don't know. Yes, I will tell you. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are H-Y-M-I-N-G, rhyming, W-O-R-D-S, words, rhyming words. See, children, these are the words that have the same ending sound. Rhyming words means, children, the words which have the same ending sound. The words which have the same ending sound. These are called rhyming words. Rhyming words means, children, these are the words that have the same ending sound. Repeat, children. These are the words that have the same ending sound. Okay, children. I'll tell you some words so that you can understand very easily. These are rhyming words. Okay. What are rhyming words? You can understand very easily by reading these words. See, children. See on the screen. M-E-E-T, meat. What is the rhyming word of meat? Feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Meat, feet. Same ending sound came, no, children? Meat, meat, feet, t. Like that same ending sound came, no, children? Ending sound came, no, not? Same ending sound came, no? Meat, feet. M-E-E-T, meat. F-E-E-T, feet. Yes? Understood all of you? Meat, feet. Now we'll go to next one. P-E-E-L, peel. What is the rhyming word of peel? H-E-E-L, heel. Peel, heel. Peel, heel. Yes? You understood now, children? Same ending sound word. Yes? Peel, heel. Peel, heel. L. Peel, heel. Peel, heel. Yes? Like that it should come. The same ending sound. Now we'll go to next one. D-E-E-P, deep. B-E-E-P, beep. Deep, beep. Deep, beep. What is the rhyming sound of deep? Beep. What is the rhyming sound? Beep. Deep, beep. Deep, beep. Yes, understood, children? Now we'll go to next one. S-E-E-D, seed. What is the rhyming sound of seed? Feed. Seed, feed. F-E-E-D, feed. D. Seed, d. Seed, feed. Yes, children. Understood? Same ending sound word came, no? Seed, feed, seed, feed, seed, feed. Yes, like that it should come. Now we'll go to next one. What is the next one? L-A-T-E, late. What is the rhyming sound, children, here? Rhyming word, can you tell? Late, date. Late, date. L-A-T-E, late. D-A-T-E, date. T. Late, date. Late, date. Yes? Same ending sound word came, no? Yes? Late, date. Now, next one we'll see. S-A-Y, say. W-A-Y, way. Yes? Same ending sound or not, children? Say, way. Say way. S-A-Y, say. W-A-Y, way. Say way. Now see next one. T-I-M-E, time. What is the word, children? Rhyming word, tell me time. Time, rhyming word, tell me. T-I-M-E, time. Rhyming word of time. Lime. L-I-M-E, lime. Time, lime. Time, lime. T-I-M-E, time. L-I-M-E, lime. Okay, children? Understood? Now, we'll go to next one. R-E-D, red. What? Children, tell me. Rhyming word. Rhyming word of red. Can anyone tell? Bed. Red, bed. Red, bed. D, d. Yes, children. This is the rhyming word, no? R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. Understood, all of you? Now, next one. P-E-T, pet. Now, you only tell me, children. What is the rhyming word of pet? What is the rhyming word of pet? P-E-T, pet. Okay, I will tell you. Pet, 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 pet. W-E-T, wet. P-E-T, pet. W-E-T, wet. Now, next one. See, children. Pin. P-I-N, pin. What is the rhyming word of pin? Win. Pin, win. W-I-N, win. P-I-N, pin. W-I-N, win. These are the rhyming words. Yes, children? It's very easy now and very interesting topic, no, children? Yes? Now, okay, once again we will repeat it. What are rhyming words? Yes, children? Rhyming words means these are the words that have the same ending sound. See, children, words again I will repeat it. Yes, listen carefully. Okay, we'll start. Meet, feet. You also say, children, after me. Meet, feet. Peel, heel. Deep, beep. Seed, feed. Late, date. Say, way. Time, lime. Red, bed. Pet, wet. Pin, win. Yes, children? You learn and write. Practice it 2 times. It's very interesting topic, no, children? Yes? Practice well. Okay, children? And once again, you read these rhyming words so that you can understand and you will get these rhyming words also very easily. Yes, children? Okay? Will you practice at home? Yes, children? You learn and write, practice it 2 times. This is the work for you. Okay? Bye, children. See you tomorrow.